Did you just get your deep curly clip-ins in the mail, or maybe you've had them sometimes and it's just time to shampoo, condition them, and bring them back to life? Today, I will be showing you how to properly cleanse, condition, and reset your curly clip-ins. So first, if you have one set or two, you want to separate it into two batches to make it easier to wash. Then you want to co-condition the hair first before you wet it. I want to add the conditioner on here to get it really soft. All right, next I'm going to take my wig brush and start to comb this through. You want to start from the ends and work your way up to the root. Okay, so after cold conditioning, as you can see, the hair is really soft and easy to brush through. You can use a wig brush or a wide tooth comb, but the goal here is to really soften the hair and get out any tangles that may have been in the hair. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and start my shampoo process by rinsing out this conditioner. And first I'm going to add my clarifying shampoo. This shampoo is really important as it gets all of the dirt and extra product buildup off the hair. Using the clarifying shampoo will just make sure that the hair is bouncy and real lightweight, because the more product you have in your hair, the more it weighs it down. So you really want to shampoo that product out, and you want to make sure that you're always going in a downward motion. Never shampooing the hair like this, balling it up and vigorously rubbing it together. Always hold the hair by the weft and shampoo in a downward motion. All right, so just keep going in a downward motion, keeping the hair smooth and tangle free. I'm going to rinse this out, and I'm going to repeat my clarifying shampoo a second time. You always want to use the clarifying shampoo at least twice, just to make sure you really got the hair clean. After you've shampooed the hair twice using your clarifying shampoo, you should then follow up with a moisturizing shampoo. It can be any brand of your choice, but the moisturizing shampoo is really important as it will soften the hair. You want to rinse out the moisturizing shampoo and then follow up with a conditioner. You can use a generous amount of conditioner, whatever you need to really soften the hair up. Once you have the conditioner in, you want to brush that through. And then allow it to sit 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to work on my second batch. All right, now that I've let my hair sit with the conditioner on it 3 to 5 minutes, before I rinse it, I'm going to add it into my hanger. This will make my last step a lot easier. Brush it through just one more time before I start to rinse the conditioner out. Now, when rinsing out the conditioner, you want to make sure that you really get all of the conditioner out. You don't want to have any product buildup on it, especially if you intend to blow dry, straighten the hair, and wear it straight. You don't want to leave any additional products in it. But if you are deciding to wear the hair in its natural state, it is okay to leave just a little bit of the conditioner in it, as that will help with any frizzing and really tame the hair. All right, right, I'm gonna rinse this top just to make sure I got the conditioner off the top of the weft. Now that all of the conditioner is rinsed out, you want to make sure that you do not towel dry the hair. Normally what I'll do is I'll take my brush and go through the hair to get the water out and really define that curl. If you towel dry it, it may cause the hair to dry out and look frizzy. So you want to set that curl by just taking that brush through it. After you've gotten the excess water out, you want to allow the hair to air dry at least 24 hours. While it's in its drying phase, you want to make sure that you don't play with the hair, manipulate the hair, bother the hair. Just let the hair be, allow it to air dry for 24 hours and it will come out perfect. However, if you're deciding to wear this straightened in style, you can actually go ahead and blow dry it from this phase, but the hair does best when you allow it to air dry. So I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to shampoo and condition your deep curly clip-ins.